I guess, you know, when you're walking down the street, you're pretty new there, let's say at the beginning. You're getting guys staring at you, but you're getting used to the staring, right? Like you're starting to understand basically what is a normal stare, I guess, and then what's maybe where you have to say something or right. But there's you know, what's like the catcalling like? I know it sounds like a dumb question, but like, do you ever feel in danger or do you just ignore it?
In the beginning, I felt in danger much more than, you know, after spending a lot of time there. I also tend to go to very small towns. I don't spend too much time in the tourist places. I used to when I first got there, and I recommend it. It's really good to connect with other foreigners and have a chat and kind of find where you want to go. I think it's a good idea. But yeah, in the beginning, I think because you don't, you know, you'll just be walking by and you hear all kinds of things. And a lot of times in the beginning, I would be very serious because I was like, you know, leave me alone. Like, I don't want to be harassed all the time. So I'd be very serious. And they, you know, they cut that like this all the time. Why don't you smile, beautiful? Come into my shop. I'll make you happy, you know, like all kinds of things. And my biggest recommendation to anyone, especially when they're starting out, is you don't have to be too serious and you don't have to walk like, you know, boom, 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 stomp around. I think just, it was an Indian friend who taught me this. He's like, your power and everyone is going to treat you how you look with your eyes. And they used to tell my friends, eventually they told me, you have so many problems because you always give everyone your eyes. You always look at everyone and you share and you give, and they're giving you stuff you don't want. And they're like, take care of where you look and who you give your eyes to. And so it sounds a little bit funny, and I think it's something you have to kind of play with. But I think just by keep walking and walking, just I'm mindful of like, I know these people are staring at me and I'm just not interested. So I won't even, you know, I'll glance and my face is, you know, I'm happy, but I don't need to give them. If I don't feel comfortable, you know, sharing a moment with this person, I simply won't give it to them. And they really back off. I have, ever since I started being mindful of, you know, not just throwing myself like, hello. And then it's become really nice because people are like, okay, you know, she's just not gonna she can't be messed with.